Well, hello everybody. Today I am going to show how I make the driver boom and the gaff for the rear sail that hangs off the spirit yard or spirit mast on the back of the mizzen. This again is the book by James Lee that I use quite often. Here again is the front of the page of the book, and I use this one for the gaff, this one down here for the driver boom. I basically took and enlarged sections of it like this. This one was for the gaff. I made multiples in case I screwed up my cutting or otherwise didn't get it quite right. I did the same thing for the driver boom. They had to be blown up a little bit because they're not on the size that I want here. So my printer has the function where I can increase or decrease the size. I think that's pretty standard on most printers. Now this is the boom. It's been shaped. As you can see, it kind of tapers it down at the bottom here, thicker in the middle, and tapers it to the end. Here on the end, I have the guidelines for what will be the bottom over here, the tip actually, which I will probably do in another video. I'm just going to show how to make the rough portions of it. On this one, I already attached one end and shaped it up, as you can see. Using this as an example, you can see that this tapers here. It tapers here. So like what I do here is I don't have the line drawn on this one, but I know where it goes. So I'm going to put it on here. Let's go this right about here, like this. So I'll take my knife like this and pin it down, and I'll just slowly shave off roughly to get to where I want to be on that line down there. So I've got the roughened like this. And I'll take a file and finish that off. Not quite there, but it's close. Just about, just a little bit more. Looks pretty good, right? I cut some stock. This is 3/16 inch thick, and this is a 3/16 inch dowel. This particular one goes not on this one, but on the gaff here. This one is for the driver boom. You can see I've already shaped it. Put it on here with some, basically some rubber cement. Cut it out of the copy that I made for this one and put it on here, and it's got its rough shape up here. So I can take this off here And I will just some super glue on here. Put this on here. Just like that. Make sure it's lined up right. It's got to be straight there. Now, give it a quick squirt from this accelerator. Well, that one's done, except for the shape has to be put on there and cut out. I'm not going to do that on this one. Instead, I'm going to do it on this one. Now, this one has only been roughed. It hasn't been finished. You can see the outlines. I put this in my bandsaw and they cut this out right here. This is the other piece. That also has not been done yet. I'm going to shape this piece right here. Now I take a piece of dowel like this and I wrap super glue or rubber cement, some sandpaper to it like this. And I have a number of sizes. This particular size is pretty much exactly what I need for here, as you can see. Now I can show you on here. Because this angles here, right here like this, this one, it's not upside down, like this here. That's why looking at the down from the top, you see basically two shapes. This one here and this one here. Now when you cut this out, you cut it to the larger size down on the bottom. Which looks like this, see? Right. And once you have this piece shaped here, you put this on it, and you can either just draw it with a pencil, make an outline, and cut it out. It would look like this, because see, this one was shaped already from the side. I can take it into there to get the proper shape that I want. There'll be another video when I'm done getting this shape done that puts the banding on here, puts the eye bolts in, put the blocks, the cheek blocks on here, and also on the ends there are, down the length, there are also, as you can see here,